G'day everyone, welcome to Shane Shed. Just wanted to share a couple of little improvements I've done to my Landcruiser over the past several months that I've found have made a really cool, just difference way. And I'll start with my latest one. So first mod was for safety, fire extinguisher. So what's so special about it? Well, nothing really, but I've used a Kap Industries bracket, which just bolts, I'll get the light there, which just bolts under the front seat mounts. Now, Kap Industries, in their instructions, recommend that you lift the seat and put the bracket sort of under the seat rail. I just found it, personally, just sits a little bit flatter and a little bit nicer with it on top of the seat bracket, and basically the nut, the bolt captures it like a washer, so to speak. Now, I did notch out the seat little plastic covers there. Here's an example there, so it just sits a little flatter. That's nice and easy done just with the Dremel, just to trim it up a bit. It's no big deal. And the second thing is a bit of a two-parter really. I use quad lock mounts for my phone, just because I like the holders, they work well, and they have charging heads for their holders. So my first addition a while ago was just in this little blank sort of space here. I mounted a quad lock, which was, and the cable for the charger goes in behind and hooks up with the cigarette lighter wiring, so it all turns on with that. The good thing with this is you whack it in there and you've got an air vent that's just on top of it, which helps keep your phone cool. So charges well and the phone stays cool. You know what phones are like when they get hot, they cut out and stop charging and doing all that stuff. So that's cool, and it minimizes all my cables that are strewn around all over here when you're traveling, which I kind of hate. This cable here, I'm going to sort that out a little bit later, but that goes onto my next improvement. So the next thing on the cards was this Scrub King phone holder. Now that just mounts up under your grab handle, so you just remove that, screw it in, sits there nicely. Again, quad lock head unit for charging, and that's where that other cable runs up, so I've just run that up under the trim there, and I'll eventually get it to a spot where I've got power on all the time. But that's another good spot as well. Again, you've got an air vent right there, so it keeps your phone cool, which is awesome. You can get these with a UHF handpiece holder as well. But to be honest, I think that would probably be a little bit too much weight there, because just with the phone there, just with some rough roads, that does shake about a little bit, but it's not a big deal. The only issue with this is if you're thinking about running the A-pillar gauge mounts, like with the trim on there, this won't work with those, because that is pretty much right in the spot where those gauges would be mounting. What I am thinking of doing though, because I wouldn't mind doing some additional gauges, is perhaps the JRP 14-in-1 gauges, and I might actually mount that off this section here, like maybe just put a bit of an extension with a bracket there, and that will be solid as, so that would be awesome. And the good thing with that phone holder as well, if you don't have like CarPlay or Android Auto or anything over there, if you got your phone holder here, it's in actually a really good view, so that's kind of eye level for me. And as you can see, good visibility, and you can use it if you need to. Not that I condone doing that. But yeah, that's just a couple of little things I've added. This is not sponsored content by any stretch. This is all stuff I've paid for, and it's just stuff I use by daily. Well, not daily because this car doesn't get used daily, but it's stuff I use, like the quad lock mounts I use all the time because I just think they work. So yeah, I'm quite happy to recommend stuff that I like and use. And this is stuff that I like and use, and it's just simple brackets. I don't have to go drilling extra shit into the car, which I don't really like doing. So yeah, if you're thinking about on the fence of those things, then yeah, do it.